Most people invested in Lucid Motors through the CCIV SPAC stock are looking for the next big catalyst that can bring the stock price back up to all-time highs. Ever since they announced their merger deal, the stock price has been on a consistent downfall with no real signs of an immediate reversal. So how long will we have to wait to see some growth raising the stock price back up? We'll be going over the key catalyst we think will help boost CCIV and Lucid Motors back up in today's video. So let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Mark with MC Stocks. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this one. And as always, remember to do your own due diligence when investing and seek a financial advisor for professional advice. CCIV's stock price fell just as quickly as it rose. The stock hit record highs of over $60 in February, rising ever since we've been speculating about a merger deal with Lucid Motors. And ever since they've made the merger announcement, the stock fell victim to the buy the hype, sell the news trend and dove to the current price of about $22. The rise and fall was all driven by the single catalyst of there being a possible SPAC merger deal being announced. And unfortunately, the stock followed the all too familiar recent trend of buyers jumping into the stock based on the hype and then immediately selling on the release of the news. So do we have any catalysts that we know about coming up? Well, looking at the Lucid Motors Twitter account, we can see that they announced that they will be in the SXSW 2021 conference being held on March 17th, showcasing their in-car entertainment system featuring Dolby Atmos sound systems. So we may hear about some pretty cool entertainment features coming from this Dolby partnership, like surround sound, audio depth and quality, and maybe some new innovative ways they are taking advantage of this technology that we haven't seen before. Checking out the event's details on SXSW's website, we can see that they plan to discuss how this partnership will create a driving experience unlike any other. So nice marketing could be expected from this event if anything, but we could possibly be in store for something exciting as well. But this is not the only thing investors have to hope for as the next big catalyst. We believe that the next catalyst that could really bring a resurgence back to the stock price is when the public gets to test drive Lucid's vehicles. Test driving Lucid's cars will really start putting Lucid out on the public stage for first-hand judgment and will give people the proper opportunity to make a sound assessment of what Lucid has to offer. On paper, Lucid's specs sound great. They can market their cars however they want to make them look phenomenal. But when it comes to test driving, the veil comes off and we get to see the actual product. We have seen footage of their cars out on racetracks and driving in various terrains. But what potential customers would really want to see is the opportunity to get behind the wheel and have a feel for the car for themselves. Going behind the wheel provides some obvious opportunities to learn about the car, such as understanding how the car handles, how well it accelerates, how quick the battery drains, how the interior feels, and much more. But we can see the real benefit of these test drives from looking at some of Tesla's testimonials when buyers drove a Tesla for the first time. Let's take a look at this Tesla forum post about this user's test drive experience. They state, "Wow, I read a lot of things about the Model 3 and watched a lot of videos. But when you're in, it's special. It's a car coming from the future. It's very quiet, which makes the driving experience less stressful compared to internal combustion engine cars." So this user was like us now, with Lucid Motors having only watched a lot of videos about the car. It wasn't until they actually got to test drive the car that they were sold, saying that when you are in, it's special and the car comes from the future. A key point they make that you would not exactly be able to tell from a video is the fact that it is quiet inside the car while driving. So you even have the opportunity to learn more about the car than advertised by being able to take the car on a test drive. Furthermore, these Tesla test drives are convincing people almost on the spot that they should make a Tesla purchase. Take a look at this Reddit post from a year ago. They state that after test driving a Model 3, they felt that their relatively new 2018 car was severely outdated and that the Model 3 has completely changed their opinion about cars. And this Reddit post actually cautions people about test driving a Model 3, saying not to test drive the Model 3 unless you're prepared to buy. Clearly going for a bit of humor in this post, but the point they're trying to get across is that the test drive will be the deciding factor to make a purchase. So if and when Lucid Motors starts doing their own test drives of their vehicles, we should listen to the testimonials released and make assessments about our investments then. Ideally, Lucid will have similar results as Tesla with their test drives or better, but we will have to wait and see what the reviewers say. At the moment, there has been no announcement made yet saying that they will be allowing the public to test drive their vehicles. But when they do, be prepared to tune in to learn what the public really thinks about the car and if it is worth it for you to invest into. If you're looking to buy some shares of CCIV and need a brokerage, be sure to use our referral links in the description below for some free sign-on bonuses that can get added to your accounts. And before we end the video, we would like to say Happy International Women's Day to all of our female viewers on our channel. We appreciate you tuning in, no matter how few. Lucid Motors actually released a video today highlighting the woman who powered the design team, so definitely check that out to see what some of the women at Lucid Motors have to say about their experience. Good luck everyone with your holdings, and stay tuned on our channel for any news regarding the latest Lucid Motors developments. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we release our next video. Please like and share for more videos similar to this one, and comment below with any questions that you may have so that we can address them in future videos. Thanks.